So how did you sharpen a chainsaw blade? There's this way, using this, using this, using this, and there's another one that automatically sharpens it. How I like to do it, how I like to sharpen my blades, I'm just getting something so I can show you how I do it. So how I do it is, wherever I start, I put a marker. I gotta find a good. And I just do it like that. I don't know if you can see my mark. That's how I do it. Everybody does it a little bit different. That's how I'm doing it on this, for this video. I haven't done this in a while, so it's gonna take me a couple minutes. I have to use this today, so I want to sharpen the blades, because I haven't been sharpening them. And this does take a while to do. And then you just go to the next one. and it goes on and on and on. That's one way to do it.